Installation instructions. Product overview. Installation of L1 and L2. Place the right side of the grilled body facing forward. Screw for AA into the right side of the grilled body. Do not tighten. Screw for AA into the left side of the grilled body in the same way. Do not tighten. Look for L1 and L2. Pass the holes in L1 and L2 through the pre-assembled AA screws. Push until the AA screws are lined up with the end of the small hole. Tighten the screws into place. Install the other two on the other side in the same way. Installation of leg tube connector. Insert the leg tube connector into L1 and L2. Line up the holes. Tighten the connector with AA screws from outside. Install the other two connectors in the same way. Installation of L3 and L4. Insert L4 into the leg tube connectors on the left side of the grilled body. Insert L3 into the leg tube connectors on the right side of the grilled body. Tighten one leg with AA. Screw from the outside when holes line up. Installation of storage box and the bottom panel. Place the storage box in the front side of the grilled body. The holes on both sides should be lined up with grilled legs. Tighten the storage box with 4 AA screws from inside. Tighten the other legs with AA screws. Fit the bottom panel between L3 and L4. The side with butterfly screw should near the back side. Attach the bottom panel with L3 and L4 using 4 AA screws. Installation of caster and leg end cap. Insert a KK bolt into L4, then insert a GG washer onto the KK bolt. Then pass the bolt through the center hole of the caster. Add the second GG washer onto the exposed end of the KK bolt, then place the JJ nut on top. Use the LL wrench to fully secure the nut by rotating it clockwise, as well as tighten the KK bolt from below. Install another caster onto L4 in the same way. Assemble the leg end caps into L3 with sloping facing outward to increase stability. Installation of side tables. Insert 2 bolts into the side table. Do not tighten. Hang the side table in the grooves of L1 and L2. Screw 2 bolts into the lower side of the side table to secure it. Assemble the other one in the same way. Installation of accessories. Place 2 pieces of grill heat plates inside the grill body. Place the cooking grate and the cast iron grill plate inside the grill body. Insert the rack posts of the warming rack into the specified holes in both sides of the grilled body. Installation of oil drip tray and oil drip box. Insert the oil drip tray into the grill body from the back. Place the oil drip box along the guide rails of the oil drip tray. Your installation is complete. Other demonstrations. You can hang your grill, tools on the hooks of the side table. By turning the butterfly screw clockwise, you can secure the gas tank from wobbling. Connect the regulator valve to the valve of the gas tank. Make sure there is no methane leakage. Lift the right side table to move around the grill. Ignition demonstration. Insert a battery into the igniter with plus facing outward and minus facing inward. Screw the cap in. Press the igniter button in without releasing. Turn the knob of the side burner anti-clockwise. The fire should be lit immediately. You can adjust the fire by turning the knob.